Today I want to show how to convert a DWG file to PDF file. I will create this file as a PDF. So I will go to this and choose this print and go to this slot and select this OK and go to here. There are many file options. You can convert any option from this. Now I will convert it DWG to PDF. Choose this and there is a paper size. Go to here. There is many paper size which you need to print. You can select this paper size. Now I select this A4 size. Okay. Then there is what to do plot. There is many options: display, extend. You need windows. I choose this windows because this, if you choose this windows, it will be better for you. Now I show just as a window. That's why I choose the window and select the window. I select this window, just I select this from here, this and this. Okay, I select this and I can preview it and I choose this fit to paper, or you can choose this. There are many scale size. You can A4, A2, there are many size of this, or also have a custom size. A custom size, you can choose a custom size. Now I choose this fit to paper because I already select this plot area, windows, and I selected this. And you can preview how will show after print your paper. So you can preview this. I choose this preview. Now we see this is your preview. I think it will be better to see. So I choose this. Okay. Then go to exit. I see our size is better and their drawing orientation is landscape. So now I choose this. Okay. And you can save this your exit file. I choose this file, my selected file. Just I select this fiber, that was my UK client, so I create this as a UK file and I will save this here. So I choose this save. Now you can open on your any size always and click this. Now see your file is saved. You can print this created as a PDF file. You can print. I see this is a full screen. Now this is I converted as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. If you need any kinds of help about AutoCAD related or another Solidworks related, you can knock me to my profile to my Gmail. My Gmail is available in the description. Please subscribe to my channel and knock to my email. Thank you for watching.